Oh, we're back, baby. We're back. All right, everyone, jump back into the live stream, man. We're still here. We're still here. We're still here, baby. We're back into the live stream. Just seeing if people can jump back in, man. We were on a freaking roll. So many people. I'm going to try to see where we're back. We're back. If you're in the Telegram, we're back. We're back into the live stream. Just seeing if people can jump back. There's a huge snowstorm going on right now. The internet just got beat down. I'm going to try to see where we're back. We're back. If you're in the Telegram, we're back. There's a huge snowstorm going on right now. The internet just got. How many people can we get back? That's to see. Internet. The internet, man. Internet snowstorm. How many people can we get back? That's to see. Internet. All right. The internet, man. Internet snowstorm. All right, cool. Let's keep it going. Damn, man. We were on a roll. 275 views were on that live stream. That live stream was pumping, man. What I'm going to do is put this in the comment section below. Go find that video. Damn. Dude, on my biggest day ever, my live stream gets cut. Can you believe that, man? It's like I'm always getting slammed, man. I'm competing against Crypto Face. Crypto Lifer versus Crypto Face. Let's see my videos here. 298 views, streamed 6 minutes ago. Look. The stream continues. Part 2 here. And there's like still people commenting on this video, right? I don't even know. 298 views, man. That live stream was pumping, yo. They were running it. It was getting likes. It was hitting the algorithms. Jeez Louise, man. That would have been my first like 1,000 view stream. Anyway. Shout out to everyone here, man. Bro, YouTube knew. BTC pump affecting all networks. Maybe it is, man. That's damn, man. My network got slowed down right there. Now we have to get back up to 72 likes again. Can we recreate this? Can we get back? Can we recap? I'll watch you over Crypto Face all day. All right. Check it out. And we are back. Yes. Yo, the show must go on, right? The show must go on. 11:27. All right. Let's watch Bitcoin pumping something crazy, right? Did we get to 54K? Did I win the bet live on the stream? Be pretty cool. Cake back to 1851. Damn, man. Cake at 21 would have been a nice sell, honestly. Bake is starting to pump now, though. Back to 244, 246. We'll see what's going on. Bake and Cake. Interesting. Let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. 54K, guys. I did it. And look, I'm gonna go right now. I'm gonna live on the live. I'm gonna go and message BS Social Swap and say, "Can I have my money, please? Can I have my money, please?" Look at this. Look at this. Can I have my money, please? Thank you so much. Thanks for playing. Thanks for playing. I out-TA'd him, man. And I bet him the $100. You know. Anyway, shout out to him. He's a good dude. I actually really like him. I will go to bat for him. He's a nice kid. All right. So don't go start ragging on him. If anyone makes fun of him, it's not about making fun of people. But he does have to own. He has to own it. He does have to own it. He does have to own it. He went against me. He went me head to head. He has to own it. He has to own it. So it is what it is. It is what it is. It just snows and snows and snows and snows and snows in the city of Boston, and it never stops. 54K for Bitcoin. I believe we would hit Saturday. I was a day early. That's what happens when you trash talk XRP off with your stream. Yo, the second I said that, I was out. Someone hacked me with my XRP nonsense. I was like, F XRP, blah, and I was done. Ah, man. Could we ever get back, though? We were at 72 views. Things were going. How did we lose all those people, man? They were jumping in through the algorithm. The algorithm has us running. Now we have to reestablish the algorithm again. But look, I talked about taking the trade, right? I said you could take the trade earlier today, and boom. It's just sad. A lot of times I stream and I can't take the trade, or I don't take the trade because I'm so into the stream. If I was sitting here alone, just trading, doing my thing. But anyway, there's a give and take to everything in life, up and down, right? Damn, we were going through tickers. We were flying, guys. As soon as he said that, it cut, laughing my ass off. Oh, man, you guys are back, though. We got 24 people watching, 24 likes. It's all right. It wasn't the adrenaline rush at 70 people. I mean, that was insane. I don't feel bad about losing Ronnie. Anyway, shout out to everyone here on the live, man. You guys rock. You guys rock. As this music starts to wind us down a little bit and we get into the news, we get into the day, let's take a look at this Goose Finance. I want to see what's going on with Goose Finance real quick. Ooh, nothing, huh? Goose.DeFi, baby. Goose Finance. All right. Let's see what returns you want to send us. I love this. Every day it's another one we get to see. Okay, what returns you want to send us this time? Can you beat my 6,500% that I got going on? With my 11 smoke now, earning a smoke every couple of 20, 30 minutes. Goose.DeFi. Connect my wallet. Binance Smart Chain. It's all Binance Smart Chain. All the time. Bam, egg stats. Farms and egg staking. Let's look at the farms. Okay, a little bit of egg action. Stake LP tokens to earn egg. Deposit fees will use to buy back egg. So Goose Finance, get that goose, right? Everyone's after that golden goose. 900% gains, 1,200% gains. Cake BUSD LP for 1,200% gains right there and earn some egg. Be a good idea. I know we have both, right? You know you got some cake, you might as well take some of your cake and earn some egg. You start learning some of the new things, just, you know, you can branch off pieces of the cake and start earning more things with the cake. It's just nuts, right? It's nuts. So there's only farms, there's nests, so that's the staking. They call it nesting, all right? 490% gains, right? If you approve the contract, you can compound your eggs. You buy some egg and you stake the egg. Unbelievable. 752% gains right here. Deposit fee of 4%. I don't like the deposit fees. I think those are corny. This one has no deposit fee though. Anyway, there's Goose Finance coming up in the game. Just something to put on your radar, guys. You might never have heard of it. I just found out about it literally an hour ago. So shout out to everyone here on Goose Finance. How many people did we get back into the stream? 25. Wow, we never even reached. We had 278 views on that last live stream. Got cut off. I didn't even notice you weren't live. Awesome. Shout out to Jeremiah. I was watching your old stream for like an hour. Hey, Banano Coin is going to make a giveaway for nano holders who have their voting weight to a node under 1%. Pretty interesting. All right. Now we're going to get into the Bitcoin news. We're going to see what people are saying. All right. Ripple exec. You know, Brad Garlinghouse, I watched a few interviews with him. He kind of seems like the rich kid that gets a little salty when he doesn't get what he wants. I'll be honest. Living up in Athena too long, man. Got his head blown up, right? I don't know. He's a nice guy. I don't mind him. I just, a little quirky sometimes in his words. A little funny in his shifts. But anyway, that's my opinion, right? What does that mean? Nothing. I wish him the best, and I wish Ripple the best. So they have my money in their hearts. So I want to make sure they're Bitcoin rally most overstretched since 2017 top. This key indicator shows. Historically, it's believed that Bitcoin nears its top when it surpasses the aforementioned score. It's the dollar-denominated market value, the total circulating supply, starts to greatly deviate from its realized value that excludes permanently lost or dormant coins. Conversely, it usually hits the bottom of its corrections when the score drops below 0. So while this indicator suggests we could be in the advanced phase of the bull market, Bitcoin can still significantly grow from there. In 2017, Bitcoin made another 2x. Bitcoin was most overvalued on April 9th, 2013. On that day, the score reached a whopping 11.5. And that was a special day. That was a special day. Bitcoin is better than fiat in today's negative interest rate environment. Elon Musk. Only a fool wouldn't look elsewhere. That's what I'm saying. Like, are you like, why would you take crap? Why would you take dirt for dirt? You know what I'm saying? Like, dirt for dirt. Like, that's what holding the US dollar is. It's dirt for dirt. Like, see this? I'd rather get egg. See, all this other stuff is better. All this stuff is better, man. Right? Like, come on now. Like, all right, so the Tesla and SpaceX CEO is known for his advocacy of cryptocurrencies, right? And most notably meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin. Musk has posted several tweets that have significantly pumped the price of the token. The Bitcoin price also jumped 20% when the multi-billion-dollar changed his Twitter bio to Bitcoin. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, BINANCE CEO Changpeng Zhao said he was quite surprised with Musk's unabating endorsement of Dogecoin. Zhao, however, posted that Tesla's recent 1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase is indicative of Musk's support of the king of cryptocurrencies. Tesla's action is not directly reflective of my opinion. Having some Bitcoin, which is simply a less dumb form of liquidity than cash, is adventurous enough for an S&P 500 company. To be clear, I'm not an investor, I'm an engineer. I don't even own any publicly traded stock besides Tesla. However, when fiat currency has negative real interest, only a fool would look elsewhere. Bitcoin is almost as BS as fiat money. The key word is almost. When asked why he thinks Bitcoin is BS at all, even comparing it directly to fiat money, the SpaceX magnate opened somehow a hash text file using ancient crypto can be exchanged for real goods and services. Amazing. Yeah, right? Like ancient meaning like we have better technology at this point. This is 10-year-old technology, but everybody wants it, man. Doesn't matter. FTX exchange down due to AWS issue. Resumes ops for now. Damn, man. They were one of the biggest exchange. I love them. According to Sam Bankman-Fried of FTX exchange, AWS crashed and temporarily caused some network issues on the platform. However, the CEO responded that the issue also affected other crypto exchanges. Dude, that was what happened to me, man. Look, 10 a.m. right here. Dude, that's happened to me. I was part of this crash. They crashed us. They really did crash us, guys. They did. $148 for egg? Wow, dude. ADA making moves. I'll take it. I'll hold 1,000 XRP forever. If I lose, I'm not taking much of a loss. But if they win and get government contracts, I'll be rolling in it. Low risk, possible high reward. For sure. I hold 26,000 XRP. Sold half, bought back to 10. So I'm holding 10,000 XRP. Hey, good job, man. Where do you post your analysis? Telegram? Yeah, all the time. We do analysis all the time, though, on the live stream, too. So look, FTS exchange. The AWS recent crash took down a bunch of exchanges with it. We'll be fine as long as AWS stays up. We'll update if there are further AWS issues. So Amazon taking down exchanges. I think the common issue here is the AWS region that FTX and Binance are both in is down. I think I was using NORD and I had to get off my VPN and it looked like the VPN crashed. So MicroStrategy already raised $1.5 billion to put into Bitcoin. Virginia headquartered business intelligence firm MicroStrategy has raised a staggering $1.05 billion for the sale of 0% convertible notes. The aggregate principal amount of the notes sold in the offering was $1.5 billion, which includes $150 million aggregate principal amounts of notes issued pursuant to an option to purchase within a 13-day period beginning on and including the date on which the notes are first issued, which the initial purchase is exercised full on February 18th. And wow, the company initially announced a $690 million offering before increasing it to $1 billion the following day. So they're going to buy $1 billion. The public company currently holds 71,000, worth $3.8 billion in Bitcoin. Unbelievable. Peter Schiff says Bitcoin and gold. Here's what he means. He's a clown. I'm done with that, even talking about. Bitcoin mining difficulty set to hit new all-time high, while Bitcoin rallies above 53K. At the time when Bitcoin price is breaking all-time highs, the mining difficulty is set to break its record today. Per mining pool BTC.com estimates mining may become the most difficult it's ever been in several hours from now. Bitcoin mining difficulty, or the measure of how hard it is to compete for mining rewards, is expected to climb 1.4 to 21.7 terahash. It would be the fourth increase in a row this year. Since the last adjustment down on December 28th, the mining difficulty has increased by 15%, cutting into profit margins of Bitcoin miners. However, Bitcoin rallied by 46% in the past month alone, increasing mining profitability and prompting new investment in the industry. Today, Bitcoin surpassed the $53,000 level for the first time, $54,000 level for the first time. Yo, man, look at this guy. Look at my friend. He calls me Sam Diamond Hands Price, because if you can hold on to coal long enough, it'll turn to diamond, right? So if you can hold your trades long enough, you got diamond hands, baby. You got diamond hands. Sam Diamond Hands Price. So check it out. I called 54K. I stayed at 54K. I had that talk. How many days did I talk about 54K, guys? How many days? Like, I feel triumphant right now. Again, another day where I freaking nailed the target for you, for me, for everybody. Look. Bitcoin blasted 50K. I want to see where I first started talking about 54K, because I knew I put it in here, man. Look, how I know Bitcoin is going to 54K 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. How I know Bitcoin is going to 54K. New trick when to buy and sell. Ask about your alts TA. And I even have a freaking, I'm going to have to take that out. I just found a typo in there. Ask about your alts right there. Bam, take that out. Guys, come on now. The guy who called 54K. Nobody did that. Nobody did that on the internet. I get to have my day today. I get to run my day. Bitcoin won 60K. Why PancakeSwap is taking over? What is next? I'm giving you your next target now. And I was going to wreck my subscribers, right? Where is my $100? I want my ETH. I want my $100 in ETH right now. That's what I want from BS Social. I want my monkey. 54.7. We're going to 60K, baby. Unbelievable. And all I'm worried about is my cake. I knew I should have sold cake for Bitcoin. That was my plan this morning. On the high, I was going to switch right into Bitcoin. We hit my exact target, 2146. And I froze up a little bit. I'll be honest, I froze up. Sometimes you freeze up when you're trading, right? It's like, because you want to make the money, but you're in between. Damn, man. Sell it for 52K. Hold on to a Bitcoin. Everyone's selling off for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin's running the game. Bitcoin dominance probably pumping a little bit. Man, not too bad. It came up, came back down. But it is pumping. I mean, you can see that green candle there. If we pump out of this, alts will take a hit. So remember that as well. Remember that as well. Let's get back into that news, though. MicroStrategy's killing them. So that's big more news. Difficulty rate going up. Bitcoin officially becomes $1 trillion asset. Look, we did it. I won the bet too. BTC is $1 trillion. Yo, Bitcoin officially becomes $1 trillion asset. Unbelievable, man. This is a big day for Bitcoin, hitting $1 trillion in assets. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Accounts at all-time highs. Subscribers just making money left and right. People looking at you. It's just unbelievable, man. Bitcoin's market cap breaks 1 trillion after tripling in 3 months. Bitcoin rally has rallied into new all-time highs above 53,700, pushing its market cap above 1 trillion. By the end of January, MicroStrategy had invested 1.095 billion to accumulate 7 Bitcoin, or 38% of Bitcoin's circulating supply. In early February, the firm hosted a free webinar providing strategies for incorporating Bitcoin into your corporate treasury reserves. Why not, man? To date, Grayscale has purchased Bitcoin at a rate that is faster than the new Bitcoin supply being created. On February 8th, the news, the Tesla CEO market had invested 1.5, so they're buying more than they can get their hands on at $54,712 for Bitcoin. MicroStrategy raises free USD 1 billion to buy more, dude. Bitcoin is $300 away from hitting 1 trillion. We did it. We did it. Bitcoin celebrates $1 trillion. Wow. Bitcoin hits $1 trillion. Bitcoin hits $1 trillion in market cap. Unbelievable. Like, this is just a full euphoria for me. Like, full euphoria. This is insane, guys. This is absolutely insane. It really is, though. It really, really is. Man. And that live stream that hit so many views, man. It's getting more views, but damn. Not only has 57 likes, it had 70. It's so weird. Where did the likes go? They take them away. Anyway, I'm just kind of blown away today in a way. I'm a little overtaken by the day, by everything that occurred the last few hours. I should have sold cake. I'm pissed I didn't. I showed you guys how to tell the top. Whenever you're far away from the 21-day moving average on the 1 hour, definitely sell, and we were. Looks like we'll get bought back up here, though, forming a kind of a new flag now. See this? The rising wedge now, which we haven't really done yet with cake. Cake doing its thing. Then you look for your whole cake bag, and you're like, okay. At one point, it was at like 35, 36. Still, though, unbelievable. The bunny just continues to rip, too. I can't believe this stuff. I'm in awe, man. I'm in awe of the entire crypto space. It has me just straight shocked. Sorry that today we ended up getting... MicroStrategy stock has been following the price of Bitcoin lately, it seems. But when Bitcoin was 44K, stock was 1272. It's at 1,000 right now. Maybe a buying opportunity. Binance failing again. What a joke. That sucks that Binance can't keep up with the demand, man. It's really not cool. Like when are they gonna finally eventually be able to handle what they wanted to take on? YFII at 35.20 told you we're taking this call. Oh, we went all the way to 36.73, got sold off a little bit. That Bitcoin's got everyone kind of, they get a little rallied out. But you know what? The hardcore holders, they don't worry about their waves. They don't worry about their Aave. They don't worry about their Theta. Theta 367 pumping, actually. T-Fuel pumping today, up 50%. Look at that. T-Fuel doing its thing. Watch SXP. That was a trade we gave you right there. Buy zone. Hit the stop loss, though, a tiny bit. So it didn't really work out. Unless you got lucky on this, you were on the low end of the stop loss. There's a chance. But look, there's that falling wedge to the double bottom and the break to the upside. ETH will test 2K. I'll tell you if it will. Let me see. I say ETH 2,500 by St. Patrick's Day. That's my call, and I'm sticking to it. Let's take a look at ETH right now at 1955. Oh yeah, it's on its way. But look what it's in. It was in this falling wedge, but then it was also in a bigger channel, right? Kind of had some crazy work for it. But look, ascending triangle break up, ascending triangle break to the upside. Retest, coming for that retest right now. That's all it's doing. And actually already retested, and now it's breaking to the upside. Yeah, and I have a targets for ETH here. This my first target is 2124. My next target is 2300. After that, it's 24, and then we're going all the way to $2,600 for ETH. $2,500 by St. Patrick's Day. How do you pay tax? Is it easy? No. I have a BNB send transaction still processing after an hour. Usually it goes through in seconds. Damn, that stinks, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, so it's harder to move things. It's harder to get things. It's harder to get in. It's harder to get out. It's one of those days, man, where the market just can't handle the amount of people that want to flood into it. $54,600. Where did we go all the way? We went to 54.9 just now. I gave you all these charts, man. I gave you these trades. We talked about them yesterday. They have apps and software to calculate tax for crypto if you don't want to do it manually. Yeah, I go to bitcoin.tax. I'll show you right here. Bitcoin.tax. Do your taxes. Do the right thing. They're going to come for you if you don't give them something. Give them the bone, chew on something. You got to do something. Easily file your Bitcoin and crypto taxes. Full tax preparation. Okay? Audit defense service. Online tax preparation service. So, crypto tax. I love this place. Bitcoin.tax. Bitcoin and crypto taxes for capital gains and income. Really important. I'm going to sign up and be using them. So, I used them last year, a year before, and they work really, really good. They're great. They connect to multiple exchanges. You can API. It searches for them. I really love them, and they were great. So, I see no reason why not to use them again. So, Bitcoin.tax. That's where I do my taxes for my crypto. Yeah, you connect your API to exchanges and you just, you know, you roll on out. It's perfect. Wow, the snow, if you could see the snow right now, it's coming down really, really hard. Wow, eggs are expensive. I heard $138 for an eggie, for one little eggie. Market cap's only 57 million though. I mean, that's when you want to, that's a sweet spot. Anything under 100 million is a big deal. More to come for sure. Bunny swap's coming down now, but we'll see what's happening. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a jump back up and pancake swap. So I feel like people would just buy the dips. I told you I shouldn't sell. I shouldn't FOMO. I'm going to sell when that daily does its thing. I'm just going to trust my oscillator. I'm just going to trust my oscillators. 1 hour spent, of course. But look, stochastic's kind of double bottoming. That's a little strange, showing that there's some momentum to the upside. 4 hour wants to come down. 12 hours high, but the daily just hasn't breached the dotted line yet. Hasn't breached the dotted line yet. Interesting. Cake, man. That was the sell, though, at $21. For sure. I wish I had my funds on the exchange ready to go. I should have been more prepared. I woke up last night. I knew to sell cake last night. I couldn't sleep last night all night because I told myself I should be selling my cake. Like, kind of got in my head. Made me really tired, honestly. This is the life of a crypto lifer, man. It's not easy. It's not easy, man. It's not easy making 30 grand in a night, you know? It's tough. No, I'm just messing around. I'm just messing around. You never know, right? Who's listening? Anyway, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Ave taking a hit still. But if it comes back down to the buy zone, that's going to be your suggested move. Look, the daily is resetting. Just got to hold on to these bags and let them run, man. Just got to hold on to these bags and let them run. Unbelievable day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you guys so much for kicking it with me. I love you guys. If you're a serious trader, doing taxes manual is a pain. You can't do that. KSM doing its thing, man. Let's look at KSM. We didn't get to it. I was about to do it, and then I never got a chance. It was like my next thing on the list, and then I got booted. It's crazy how the internet can ruin your day, man. Look at that. $226 for KSM. Found to form a flag, too. And look, there's your buy zone, possible sell zone. We did get wick back, and you could have got back into the trade, but the trade went as planned. KSM. BNB is falling. BNB, man, you guys are funny, man. BNB is falling. It shouldn't have never got to 350. You see what I'm saying? Should never have gotten that high. 292. Yeah, there you go. Boom. But what you want to do is you want to go to the 1 hour and you want to see what is it doing. Is it flagging? Or is it forming a falling wedge? Even the 15-minute will show you more. And look, that's a flag to me, touching the 21-day moving average. So you flag out. And we should stay in the pattern until we don't, right? Tells you there's some more upside for BNB. So instead of using your emotions and getting all freaked out, you just slow down. You go to the stochastics on the 15-minute. Oh, yeah, we're going to come back up. 1 hour is curving down. Good that I sold mine then. Possibly. It's up to you. It's going to be 500 in the month, so it's up to you. Do you want to chase or do you want to hold? It's up to you. Use it for something else to make big gains. That's all. Just keep moving it around, you know? Always good to take profits, man. Always good to take profits. Nothing wrong with taking some profits. There really isn't. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. I really appreciate it. 40 people, 35 likes. Sad that we didn't get all the way. Let's take a look at a Bitcoin watch party real quick. Let's just watch Bitcoin do its thing for a second. $54,400 for Bitcoin, man. Unbelievable. And it's going to hit the target here at 56,000. Looks like it really wants to hit the target pretty nicely. So shout out to anyone that took any of the trades that we talked about in the last few days. We made a killing. Every one of you guys made a killing. If you're in my group, you did unbelievably well. So shout out to every one of you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Sad that the stream kind of got stripped in half there. We had to do 2 streams, but it is what it is. You know, we'll move forward. And hey, it's over now, right? So it's no use crying over spilled milk. We'll be back tomorrow at the same time doing the same thing. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. If you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. All right? I know this smokehouse is risky, but this APR is insane. I'm earning about 1 smoke every 2 hours, and smoke is staying around $12. I know, man. I'm with you on it. I'm not getting out. I got in last night at 10,005. I'm not playing games. I'm not going to play games, right? So shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. I'm out. We're going to say it together, right? 1, 2, 3. Join the Telegram channel. Please, it'll change your life. It really will. The Telegram channel right here, Crypto Life for Trading. You'll never be the same if you get with us and you elevate yourself with a great group. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. There's nothing else. Don't play yourself.